To assemble the CompreCell double piston, start by taking the cell housing and put one peak locking nut inside. You can screw it in using the supplied tool. You can then turn it around and put the insulation sleeve inside. Secure it with a second peak locking nut. Screw it in and just hand tight is fine. You can then take the bottom piston, which is the one with two flat surfaces, and place one O-ring on it. Then you can put one inner lid on, followed by second O-ring, and finally an outer lid. Once you have screwed it in so that the O-ring is slightly compressed, the piston will not move around anymore, so you can take this whole assembly and screw it onto the cell body. Now you have formed a sample cavity inside where you can place the sample, but first you can use the bottom rest to press onto the piston to position it in the cell body. Now the top surface of the piston will be exactly in the center of the cell. You can now use the set screw of the bottom rest to secure it onto the piston. And at this point you can put the sample inside. This can be powder or a pre-pressed pellet. And after that you can take your top piston, put it in the cell, and put one O-ring on, followed by the inner lid, another O-ring, and finally the top lid. If you're just measuring electrolyte, at this point you're done. If you want to also put some electrode materials inside, you can just open the cell up again. You can place it on this included stand, and unscrewing the piston, you can add some electrode material. And that's how you assemble the CompreCell DP.